Hello everybody, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to set up the Ears app for the ABCD study. These first few screens are some general information about the Ears app that you can read at your own pace. The first step in setting up Ears is to enter your unique 16-digit study code. This unique code will customize the Ears app setup to enable your study-specific sensor configuration. You can either choose to scan a QR code or enter your study code manually. Once you've entered your code, tap Submit to proceed. Once your code has been validated, you will be prompted with an informed consent document. You will be walked through each section of the document and then allowed to review the entire document before accepting. Make sure to read through the whole document thoroughly before proceeding. If you are uncomfortable agreeing to any of these terms, disagree or choose Cancel and then uninstall the Ears app. After choosing to agree, tap Done to continue. Next, we will begin to enable some of the required permissions for Ears. First, you'll be prompted to allow push notifications for Ears. Choosing to allow this permission is critical to keep the app running, so make sure to do so. Next, you'll be prompted to allow Ears access to your location services. For the ABCD study, your location data will not be uploaded or shared. However, Ears requires location services to keep itself functioning in the background to process and upload other sensor data. When prompted, please select Always Allow using app rather than allow once. This step is important as it is required for the next permission prompt to occur. If you are using iOS 14, you may also reduce your location accuracy to report your location in the range of a town or city rather than a precise GPS point. At this time, we only recommend doing this for the ABCD study, since your location data will not be collected, unlike other participating Ears studies. Next, we will need to enable Always Allow location services for Ears. If you selected While using app in the last prompt, when tapping the Always Allow location button, you should get an immediate prompt to change location access for Ears to Always Allow. If you accidentally selected Allow once on the last step, or your iPhone is running on an operating system older than iOS 13.4, you will need to manually enable Always Allow location access from the settings page. You can go there directly by tapping the Take Me to Ears Settings button. Once on the Ears Settings page, tap Location, and then tap Always. When finished, tap Continue Setup to move on to the next step. We will now begin the process to enable the Ears keyboard. For the ABCD study, the Ears keyboard will only be collecting the frequency of typed text and which app the keyboard is typing into. Unlike other studies that utilize the Ears keyboard, the content of keystrokes will not be recorded for the ABCD study. To set up the Ears keyboard, please follow the instructions outlined on the screen. Tap Take Me to Ears Settings. You will then be redirected to the system settings. Tap Keyboards, then toggle Ears, then toggle Allow Full Access. Tap Allow. You will now need to return to the Ears app. Once back, tap Continue Setup. On this screen, you will be instructed on how to switch to the Ears keyboard as demonstrated. Congratulations, we've finally finished setup. You will now be redirected to the home screen. For Ears to do its job, all you need to do is leave the app in the background. Once daily, you'll receive a notification to open the Ears app so it may upload your contributed data. Make sure not to swipe Ears out of memory, otherwise passive data will not be collected and uploads will not occur. This completes our tutorial for installing Ears for the ABCD study. Thanks for watching and have a great day.